Ooh. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami bat, and the wings fold up like this, and it deploys just like that. Isn't that cool? And it also flies like a plane. Check this out. Ooh yeah. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami deployable bat that also flies like an airplane. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of kami, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 10-inch square. So let's begin with the white side up, and fold in half. Okay, and fold in half like this too. Alright, unfold, and fold this corner to here. Okay, unfold, and fold this corner to here. Okay, unfold, and refold like this. And take this edge and fold it to this crease. So pretend like the crease is going all the way across. Alright. Like that. Okay. And fold these two flaps down like this. Alright, and crease that nice and sharp. So this is going to be the head, and these are the two wings. Okay. And now, alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it up so the edges on both sides align and this corner touches the middle crease. Like that. Okay, and repeat on this side too. So fold it up so the two edges align, and this corner touches the crease. Okay, it gets kind of thick right here, so just do the best you can. Okay, unfold, and now rotate like this, and I'm going to start with this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, unfold. Now turn over, and we're going to make a valley fold in between these two creases. So we're going to take this crease and bring it onto this crease. Just like this. Alright, and mountain fold on this crease. Okay, like this. And now we're going to make a valley fold right here. And how do you know what the guide mark is? Well, let's take this flap and fold it down like this. And you want the fold to align with those edges here. Like this. See? With the edge behind. Alright, like that. Okay. And now turn back over. And now make a fold that goes in between this point. So it goes in between this point and this point, like this. So it's not going to align with the edges here. So yeah, pay attention to the 2 points, not the edge. Alright. Now, take this edge, or rather these edges, and fold them to the crease. Fold the edges to the crease. It doesn't really need to be exact. And these are just the 2 wings anyway. Alright, like this. Okay, now undo that. And now turn over and fold this flap up in between here and this corner. Like this. Okay, and now let's refold on that valley fold right here. So on this fold. like this. Okay, and now refold the wing. Make these pleats like this. See? And there's one wing done. See? This is how it works. You just unfold it like that. Alright, now repeat all that on this side. And here we go. And I'm not going to fast forward. I'll show you at normal speed. Okay, take this edge and fold it to here. Okay, unfold, turn over, and fold the crease to here. Okay, and mount and fold here. Turn over, like this, and make the fold align with its edge. Okay, and now make a fold from here to here. And fold the edges to the middle. Okay, now unfold this wing, and we're going to make it pointy. Turn over. And fold this up in between here and here. Alright, so the wings are done. So the model is done. See, there's the wings, and let's just fold this part in like this to make the head look better. Like that. Okay, see, and there is the bat done. So this is how it works. So the wings are folded up, and this is how you deploy it. You just pull open the wings like that, see, and it deploys. And then you can recollapse it like that, see, and I think that's really cool. And of course, the really cool thing about it is that it is an airplane. Check this out. Okay, so this is how you fly it. So I have my index finger on top and my thumb and middle finger underneath, like this. So this is how I'm holding it. And then you just kind of just throw it like this. Oh yeah, did you see that? Oh yeah. So this is from 6-inch paper. And that's actually what I recommend using for this model, 6-inch Kami. So this is how it works from 10-inch paper. So it doesn't really fly quite as well because the wings are more floppy. So it kind of stops it from flying well. But it flies okay from 10-inch paper too. Oh! It kind of came back to me. So it's almost like a boomerang too. Oh! And this is another one I made from, this is from a sheet of printer paper cut square. And this one flies pretty good too, because it's heavier. See, and remember, this is how you hold it. See? Thumb and middle finger underneath, index finger on top. And then you just throw it like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But really, it flies the best from 6-inch Kami. Because the wings are not as floppy. See? And it goes further. Yeah, it flies much better out of 6-inch paper. I really don't know why. That's why I used a 10-inch square in this tutorial, because I thought that would make it fly better. But no, it flies worse from 10-inch paper. So yeah, if you want a well-flying one, use a sheet of 6-inch Kami. Or a sheet of printer paper cut square. But 10-inch paper, I don't really recommend it. Okay, well, enough of that. Well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.